Hi guys, so although I will upload more bonus and requested videos, this one is actually the last main video of this course, so thanks so much for taking it. I really hope some of these techniques and methods I showed here will help you to improve your ranking and make more sales. As I mentioned earlier, of course I can't guarantee they will work, but they certainly can, and they did for me. And I think it's also definitely worth to try some new things out. Maybe you will find a new hack yourself that will improve your ranking, and these things can make a huge difference. Remember, if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this course, please send me a message. And also, if you have any great results or if you want to share a new hack you found with me, please do so, and also share it with our community here. So thanks so much for taking this course. This was actually my first course I did. I hope you guys learned something, and I will certainly do more courses in the future. So thanks so much again, and I will see you then. Bye bye.